Got a list of URLs sitting in a spreadsheet and need to pull data from every single one? Here's how to scrape them all in Manycrawl in about a minute. Click a new table, then import CSV. See the URL column drop-down. Pick the column that contains your URLs. This tells Manycrawl which column to use as the default for scraping later. It's optional and you can set it at any time, but doing now it saves a click. And hit import. Your table is ready. Now click enrichment or add a new column and then pick scrape. The source column is already filled. That's the URL column you picked during the import. Below it, Manycrawl shows you the first row's URL as a preview, so you know what you're scraping. This panel is where you tell Manycrawl exactly what to pull from each page. Anything you check gets its own column in your table. Top up page basics like title, description and the final URL, which is handy if your input domains redirect. Then we have content. It's a body text in plain text version of the page, perfect for feeding into AI analysis or personalization. Markdown and full HTML are off by default because they're heavy and you usually don't need them. Turn them on if you do. Manycrawl also pulls every link on the page, every social profile, every email and every phone number, all in one pass. At the bottom, enable scrolling triggers content on page that lazy loads as you scroll. And then we have parallel scrapes, which opens multiple tabs at once. It's faster, but it also uses more memory on your computer. It's worth testing what your machine can handle. A nice trick, crank it up overnight when you are not using the laptop and wake up to a finished table. So once you select what you want to scrape and how, you have two options: create and run, which starts scraping immediately, or create, which prepares the columns so you can run it later. Here you can also test the first 10 rows before committing to the whole list, useful if you want to confirm what you're getting out of the scrapes. And once it starts, watch the magic happens. Tab opens and closing in the background. You can click any tab to see what Manycrawl is doing in real time. So fast forward. Here is what we get. Every row is scraped, every column is populated. From here you can chain other enrichments, pass the body text into analyze and write enrichment to classify each site, extract specific data or generate a personalized opener for the outreach. Manycrawl is free to install. You can bring your own API keys for OpenAI or any other tool that we connect to. Scrape from your own browser and pay nothing per row. A link in the description below.